Looking for a perfect place to stay in Hoi An, Vietnam? Let me show you one of the most peaceful and relaxing hotels right in the heart of the city. Welcome to Serenity Hotel and Spa. This hotel is just a few minutes away from the ancient town, yet it's quiet enough to give you that relaxing vibe after a long day of exploring. You can also enjoy the outdoor swimming pool, spa treatments, and in-house restaurants serving both locals and international dishes. If you are after comfort, good value in a central location, Serenity Hotel and Spa is definitely one of the best places to stay in Hoi An. The rooms are spacious, clean, and beautifully designed with Vietnamese charm, perfect for couples, families, and solo travelers. And yes, their staff are super friendly, always ready to help you with tours, bikes, or airport transfers. Let's do a quick room tour first. So upon entry, there's a vanity mirror, a working table, and a chair. And this room is for triple sharing. So we have two beds. Aside from that, there is a TV and coffee table and chairs.
Here for umbrellas, safety box. Also, we have laundry service. The price is $3 per kilo. Just like that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Let's check them out. So this is for your luggage. You can store your luggage here, and at the bottom you can see the sleepers. You have your safe here. There is an umbrella because it's raining outside. Extra towels, the hangers, and at the bottom of this closet is the mini fridge. Inside the mini fridge are some drinks. The only complementaries are the water, but the rest you have to pay for it. One plus factor about this room is this huge window. So when you open it, there's a small balcony. You can have your drinks here or your coffee here in the morning and watch the view outside. So this is the view when you wake up. Let's now check the toilet and bath. Inside, there's a bowl, of course, with a bidet, which is very good, tissue paper, sink and a mirror, hair dryer or hair blower, trash bin, face towel, cups for toothbrushing, and some toiletries here, a bathtub with hot and cold shower, and towels. That's all for the room tour. So if you are ready to book your stay, check out the link in the comments below and start planning your Hoi An getaway today.